Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and this is a little update after the event that happened this week. Wanted to kind of give a little bit of news. Some people have been asking about. So the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 was announced this week with interesting performances and very interesting gestures with the pen and all of that. But one of the things, and this is why we talk about it on the channel here, one of the things that probably made the news a lot is Microsoft's participation in the event, showing that Microsoft and Samsung are actually partnering and doing a partnership that is even more of a partnership than ever before. So one of the things, of course, that we announced is, and they demonstrated, there will be, of course, a very special version of the phone app, your phone app, for the Note 10. Of course, we've already been using your phone app, especially if you're an insider, with Samsung devices. But there will be a different or kind of a more advanced version for Note 10 that will work apparently very well and coming up next month. So this is the first partnership, the first thing that we've seen about Microsoft kind of showing, off on the screen live, kind of a demonstration of, the screen mirroring and all of that. Kind of interesting. Also, a laptop from Samsung called the Tab Pro S. From what we see is this is running Windows 10. It is a ARM laptop, so it is running a Qualcomm chip. And of course, one of the big features announced there is up to 24 hours of battery life, which is expected when you have a device that runs on an ARM chip. So this is, and they've been, of course, saying how this is going to be a really good device because they are basically going to. It has Windows 10, so it has all the capabilities and all the power of Windows 10 on a laptop. So that was another interesting announcement. And of course, the announcements there are interesting. So this is my laptop. And of course, if we go back to the announcements with the phone, the Note 10, there was also a announcement of Microsoft Office apps optimized to use the Galaxy Note 10 screen. So this is really a big partnership. Also, they were showing how the Office Outlook app will actually work and be optimized, and all the Office apps on Note 10 will be optimized to use the pen gesture. If you've seen the demonstration that they've done, a lot of gestures coming with the pen and doing all sorts of things. It kind of looked interesting. So that's the quick announcement and partnership that Microsoft had with Samsung this week on the Note 10 announcement, basically. So this is kind of a roundup, a quick roundup of what is some of the most interesting things that we've learned and the partnership that happened with even Satya Nadella joining the Samsung CEO on stage, which is kind of interesting to see also. So this is the quick roundup. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.